I've said it every single time, but आज मैं और conviction के साथ बोल रहा हूँ, ये जो raw, unapologetic Indian अवतार जो आपका देखने को मिला है, it's definitely gonna take our Indian film industry को global map पे थोड़ा और ऊपर. How does it feel to be a part of this and doing this on that big screen, Ranveer?
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद नितिन. You are my lucky charm. Thank you for doing this for us and thank you for being here. Thank you everybody for joining us on this special occasion. All our love and gratitude. Thank you ma'am for creating this grand and glorious launch for what is an insane trailer. That's the first time I'm seeing it. मैं भी पहली बार देख रहा हूँ. भाई साहब ये क्या था? Sir, it was really something. I'm very proud to be a part of this movie. Like Arjun sir said, it's not nice to talk about your process and whatnot. It kind of, I feel, takes the magic away. But I'm so happy that I got to be a part of something where we're trying to push for something more. You know, take our cinema to the world. I feel like it's India's moment on the world stage, and we want to be at the center of it and represent Indian cinema on the global stage. You know, it's a complex, layered story with such technical finesse and execution that आपके होश उड़ जाएंगे. I have to compliment the team, Mr. Vikash Naulakha, our DOP, who's not here today, who's created a visual world that's unlike any other and at par with any movie in the world. जब सर ने मेरे को ये कहानी सुनाई, मैं तो हक्का बक्का रह गया. सर ऐसे होता है? हाँ बेटा, ऐसा भी होता है. It is the most, as the slate says, incredible true story. आपके होश उड़ जाएंगे, and it's engaging, gripping, tense, and entertaining throughout. And what I love about it, it's most rare quality. It's massy without trying to be massy. It is pitch perfect, so the way you pitched it, it is absolutely impeccably credible yet absolutely commercial. It is that sweet spot that we always aspire for in commercial cinema. I'm so proud to be a part of it. What can I say about the team that's worked on it? Mukesh sir, Shashwat, who's in a very rich vein of form, I have to say. They're all here today. I'm missing them, and my gratitude to the team. Guys, sorry for pakawing you with all those motivational speeches on set, but we were really trying to push. There they are. My beautiful team, my beautiful team. I would always like get on the mic and give all these motivational speeches. चलो यार इस बार कुछ करना, कुछ बड़ा करना, गदर मचाना इस बार. And of course the incredible cast, starting with Rakesh sir. Sir, I've watched you ever since I was a little kid in every medium, on stage, on television, in film, and I'm so proud to be sharing a screen space with you in a film like this. Ladies and gentlemen, a man who is an institution in himself, we are so proud to say that after 49 years of a glorious acting career, I promise you this is one of his most standout performances.
अगले साल से मेरा फिर से पहला साल शुरू हो रहा है.
Thank you guys. And you know, the thing is, and this is for all our cinephiles, it is very easy to tell a complex and layered story when you have an anchor of entertainment like Rakesh sir. You know, you can tell the story, an incredible story, whilst the audience is thoroughly entertained throughout. Maddie sir, I've seen your work growing up right from the TVS Scooty ad. You know, I can hardly believe that I'm in a movie with you. You're an absolute masterclass, sir. Thank you for all the generosity that you showed towards me and your kind words. You know, there's his performances in Mani Sir's cinema. You know, those are the performances that you show. You tell the world, ये ऐसे हमारे देश में भी ऐसे actor होते हैं. You are an absolute genius of an actor, sir. Thank you so much for gracing us with your talent in this film, sir. You really killed it. एंड टीजर लेवल पे आपने देखा था, जब टीजर निकला था सब देख रहे एंड फीडबैक यही था, यार मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था ये माधवन सर है, उनका नाम आता है तो पता चलता है ये माधवन सर है, क्या लुक है. And it's not easy, 3-4 hours in prosthetics, but sir, what a performance. I can't wait for the world to see it. Arjun sir, that was very kind of you to say. I was very touched by what you said. आपको पता है, मैं थोड़े से फनी टेल्स बताऊंगा. ये अर्जुन सर इज नोन टू बी द मोस्ट गुड लुकिंग मैन ऑन अर्थ. ओके, of late people are now understanding his depth and range as an actor, and this look is his presentation. I don't know how you thought of taking him and making him into this absolute monster, sir. वो हमारे सेट पे ना लड़के बोला हाय अर्जुन, मैंने बोला तुमको ऐसे लोग में भी है व्हाट लगते हो ना हाय अर्जुन रामपाल यार. But yeah, sir, the acting has just been absolute aces. But more than anything, sir, thank you for uplifting me on set. You know, बहुत मुश्किल था, जैसे कि उन्होंने mention किया, चोट लग जाती थी, गिरते थे, पड़ते थे, खून पसीना लगाते थे, कभी कभी सर भी ट्रिप करके गिर जाते थे, माथे पे लग जाता था, ऐसे उठ के कुछ नहीं कुछ नहीं, चलो चलो. You know, he was just an absolute beast, and we are so honored to have you as part of this ensemble, sir. Thank you for everything. Sara, I can't believe we're here on this stage. What a special moment for you. I'm honored to be part of it. I'm lucky to be part of such a special moment for you. Sara here is a prodigy. आपको पता चलेगा कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, मतलब बचपन से ही आपको पता है कि they're just like a child prodigy. Like एक बार डकोटा फैनिंग आई थी हॉलीवुड में. I think Sara, it's testament to the fact that you beat thousands of other candidates to land this part. And it's as if you were born to do this. ऐसे लगता है ये 50 फिल्म करके आई है. She's so precocious as a person, as a performer. You are one of the finest actors that I have shared screen with. You make me look better, and my heartfelt gratitude for that. I just can't believe that it's your first film. Obviously, you know, somebody who I love and respect a lot, Mr. Mani Ratnam, sir, you acted in his films as well, and you showed your potential, and this is when the world will see you on the big stage, and I'm really, really happy, and I'm very, very proud of you. Thank you, Sara.